Hi, I'm Jessica with Electra Lane, and today I'm going to share how to find the perfect makeup bag for you. I know that we're not really traveling a lot these days, and I know that this might not be something that people care too much about, but I know you care about it when you go on a trip and you open up your makeup bag and you see that stuff has spilled, your compact has flipped open and your powder is just crusted and smashed everywhere. Your lipstick cap came off and there's lipstick everywhere. It's a mess. And so I'm going to show you how to pick a great bag and how to organize your products so that everything arrives in perfect condition. What I don't want you to do is get a big old makeup bag. And I love these. These are the Glossier pouches. I don't want you to take all of your stuff and just throw it in here and then have it all jumbled together. One, it's hard to find. Two, it can get really messy. And three, as we just talked about, things can get broken. What I want you to do is have everything nicely organized in a compact bag so that everything fits together and there's no room for error. What I like to do when I travel is organize my makeup into 5 categories: eyes, lips, skin, tools, makeup brushes. So this is my travel makeup bag. As you can see, it's just kind of your run-of-the-mill tray case. There's no definition to it. It's a little floppy. But what I like to do, you can use like Ziploc bags. I purchased from my Kitco this little pack of 3 clear bags. They're nice and sturdy. And one's for my eyes, one's for my lip stuff, and one is for my skin stuff. And I just neatly pop them in here. Obviously they fill up all the space when I put my makeup in here. Got this gorgeous brush roll, as you can see, from a company called Leatherology. I just like it because it matches. I pop that on top, and then this space up here carries my tools. So my eyelash curler, I have my travel makeup mirror, tissues, tweezers, false lashes, whatever. I zip it up and it's very compact, but I had to take the extra step to organize it. Now, if you want something that's kind of already made, or you maybe don't need this much space, this is my Dagny Dover large makeup bag. And it is kind of soft and squishy. A lot of people like hard-sided things because they think that's going to protect stuff. I actually prefer this because it kind of makes everything snuggle in together. Plus, if it's well organized for you, you don't have to worry about things sliding around. So the main reason I got this is it comes with a pouch that's perfect for full-size brushes. I don't have to worry about my brushes. They just slip nicely in here. And then it has all these little pouches and pockets on the inside again, so everything is nice and snug. So I'll probably put like eyes and skin in the center pouch, tools over here, lips over here. Everything arrives nice. And especially too if I'm flying, this is what I take, because I'll put my liquids obviously in my carry-on, but this nicely fits everything else, and it's a great little makeup bag. Now, if you want the Mac Daddy, the Cadillac of makeup bags, if you're traveling for a long time and you need a lot of different looks, or if you, like me, have a ton of makeup, I cannot recommend this enough. It is by a little known brand called Pursen, P-U-R-S-E-N, and this is the Diva makeup case. I love it because, well, first of all, it's huge, but it's not hard-sided, but it's enough that everything will be protected. And then you have these amazing cases on the inside, which are also plastic and lined, so if you spill something, it's not going to create this huge mess. And again, I have a pouch for brushes. This is where I put my skin stuff, eye stuff, lips, tools. I put beauty blender, false lashes, tweezers, eyelash curler, everything in here. If I have bigger palettes, I can stick them in here. And everything is organized. It's going to be clean. You're not going to have stuff rolling around and getting messed up and broken. And it's just gorgeous. So the takeaways, right? Whenever you travel with your makeup, you want to make sure you split it into 5 categories: eyes, lips, skin, tools, makeup brushes. Not only so everything is organized, but so you won't have a huge mess. Let me know what your favorite makeup bag is, and if you have any organizing tips. I love what's in my bag videos, and I love to see how people organize things. So let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.